How to learn English. Simple tips for beginners. Learning English can be fun and exciting. If you want to speak, write, and understand English, there are simple steps you can follow. Let's look at some easy ways to start learning English and how you can improve every day. 1. Start with basic words and phrases. The first step in learning English is to know some basic words and phrases. You can learn simple words like hello, goodbye, please, and thank you. These are words you will use every day. On my YouTube channel, I have videos to help you with these simple words. For example, in my Introducing Yourself video, you will learn how to tell people your name and ask them their name. You can also watch videos like at the park and at the supermarket, where I teach you words you can use when you go outside or shopping. 2. Listen to English every day. Listening to English is a great way to learn. When you hear English, you get used to how it sounds. Start by listening to simple words and sentences. You can watch my listening practice videos on YouTube, where I speak slowly, and you can follow along. For example, in the At the Airport video, you will learn words that people use at an airport, like ticket, flight, and passport. By watching these videos often, you can get better at understanding English when people speak to you. 3. Speak English often. Speaking is important for learning English. Don't worry if you make mistakes. It's okay. The more you practice speaking, the better you will become. You can practice by repeating the sentences you hear in the videos on my channel. Try speaking with a friend, family member, or even with me through the comments on my videos. For example, in the My Daily Routine video, I talk about what I do every day. You can try to speak about your own daily routine in English. It will help you practice new words and feel more comfortable speaking English. 4. Read simple English books. Reading is another good way to improve. Start with easy books or stories. These books use simple words, and you can learn new vocabulary. On my channel, you can find videos like In My House and My Family. These videos have simple English that you can read and listen to at the same time. Try reading the words out loud to practice your speaking and reading skills. 5. Use apps to practice. There are many apps you can use to practice English. Apps like Duolingo, Memrise, and Babbel are easy to use. They help you learn new words and grammar in a fun way. On my channel, I also post videos like Simple Directions, where I teach you how to give and understand directions in English. This is a very useful skill because you can use it when you are traveling or even in your city. 6. Set small goals. It's important to set goals when learning English. For example, you can try to learn 5 new words each day. You can also practice speaking for 10 minutes every day. In my At the Restaurant video, I teach you words and phrases you can use at a restaurant, like menu, waiter, and bill. You can watch this video every day and practice speaking the sentences out loud. This will help you reach your goal of learning new words. 7. Join the community. Learning English is easier when you are part of a group. On my YouTube channel, we can help each other. You can ask questions, share your progress, and learn together with other viewers. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment and tell me what topics you want to learn next. I'm always happy to hear your ideas and create new videos for you. 8. Be patient and keep going. Learning a new language takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't understand everything right away. Just keep practicing, and you will get better every day. Remember, the key is to practice a little bit every day. Watch my videos, speak English, and have fun learning. You can do it. Conclusion: learning English is not as hard as it seems. By following these simple steps, listening to English, speaking often, reading, and using apps, you will improve quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and easy lessons. And please leave a comment with any suggestions for new topics you would like to see. I look forward to helping you learn English.